In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use multiple chart layouts on TradingView to tailor your trading experience. Whether you're a casual trader or a professional looking to optimize your workspace, understanding how to view and customize multiple charts can significantly enhance your analysis process. Let's get started by opening a chart in TradingView for any asset you prefer. This sets the foundation for creating a more complex, multi-chart layout. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find an icon that looks like several windows grouped together. This is the Select Layout icon, your gateway to viewing multiple charts on a single screen. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu filled with various layout options. Depending on the complexity of your analysis needs, you might choose a simple two-chart layout or a more intricate design with several charts, like a 2x2 grid for 4 charts. Remember, the more advanced your subscription plan, the more charts you can view at once. This flexibility can make all the difference in streamlining your trading strategy. Now that you've selected your preferred layout, it's time to populate these charts with the assets you're interested in. For each new chart that appears, click directly on the instrument or ticker at the top of each chart. This lets you choose the asset you want to track. Soon, you'll have a dynamic view of multiple assets, each ready for further customization. Next, consider customizing the timeframes for each chart. TradingView offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose different timeframes, such as daily, hourly, or even 15-minute charts for more granular analysis. With tailored timeframes, you gain a comprehensive view of market trends over varying periods. For those looking to synchronize their analysis efforts, you have the option to sync specific features across your multiple chart layout. You might sync date ranges, intervals, or even link specific tickers together for seamless navigation. This optional feature is particularly helpful for harmonic analysis. At times, you might need to zoom in on a single chart. By clicking the Maximize Chart button or pressing Alt plus Enter, you can expand any chart to full screen, focusing all your attention on one asset without distraction. Once you've meticulously crafted your layout, consider saving it for future use. TradingView provides the ability to save any custom layout that includes your specific symbols and settings, ensuring that your optimal trading environment is just a click away. Finally, a quick note on the TradingView subscription options. The number of charts you can display in one layout depends on your subscription. Basic users can typically view 2 charts simultaneously, while premium users can enjoy the benefit of displaying up to 8 or more, offering a detailed, multi-angle perspective of the market. By using these steps, you can enhance your trading setup, making your analysis both efficient and effective.